Guys, good morning! Ay! Meron tayong suman, guys.
You wanna try this? Try peanut butter first. I'll put it in bread. Try it.
Today is our gala day. We're gonna go to Danbantayan. So, every one of us is gonna prepare. Paon daw nila ang clothes day, mga igabot ni Mark. Kakamiss yung suman. We're
Sorry?
having coffee as well.
Sorry, baby. Oh my gosh, Alo, this is gonna be the yummiest sandwich in the whole wide world ever.
Ano pala, nakabasag si Marlon ng set of cups nung pumunta kami sa Gaisano Grand. So, ito yung nakuha namin. Isa na lang. Dalawa sana ito, Tino. Nabasag kasi nagdala siya ng maraming tissue. So, meron kaming bagong mug na sobrang ganda sana, no? Pagnipalit na lang tag-mugs. Actually, may pagnipalit na lang tag-mugs. Kaya itong mga mug kay... Saan man itong mga mug, uy? In-insert lang kami kasi nga nabasag, kailangan bayaran. So, sobrang haba ng line. Pero kahit dahil nakabasag kami na yung nauna sa line. Guys, very busy. Very, very busy.
Oh, same hotel.
Time check, it is 9:41. Ating goal is lumayas dito ng mga 10 a.m. Tingnan nyo. Ang gulo-gulo na.
Sa Rio ka ka? Rio ba siya?
Ayan. Dapat, isa lang talaga yung big luggage namin kasi medyo marami kami. Tapos mga ano lang, mga bags lang dapat lahat para mas squish lang namin lahat sa likod. Para more space kami. So hopefully it works. Andito na naman yung car, so itatry natin.
Asa dito?
Sobrang nakakaloka kanina guys kasi naliligo ako in the middle. Paano na sana ako pag rinse na ba? Ay, nawalan kami ng tubig guys. So yun talaga yung problema dito. Wala talaga masyadong tubig. Ilang years na yan, problema talaga yan dito sa aming lugar. Walang tubig. Kaya minsan nakakawalang gana na ano ba, yung lugar namin wala ngang tubig. But anyway, nakapag-rinse naman ako sa baba. Pumunta pa talaga ako sa baba para makapag-rinse tayo kasi meron naman kami mga containers doon. Pero yung shower talaga nag-stop na lang bigla. Kasi ang dami din ng toilet at the same time. And yun nga, limited lang yung tubig namin. And yun yung nangyari. Busy kayo mo ha? Charis. Look at Ayla, so pretty ate, oh. Alo too. Alo's where's your sunnies?
Toilet? Because it's gonna be a really long drive.
Ah, very good. It's in your bag.
Good job, Ayla.
Toilet, Alo.
Toilet first, please.
Okay, yeah, sige.
Sige, guys.
Tulungan sila sa...
Yeah.
Ara ka pikas yun.
Hasha.
Ibot na ko na.
Ganyan talaga ang life.
Wala. Okay na to?
Sikit-sikit
Sa salang
lang.
ang computer. Sa salang ang computer. Ano ko na ibot? Ibtan? Ikaw. Abi?
Ikaw.
Nagsabi oras.
Pang ito tanan.
Ambi be.
Pagkakasyahin para lang makagala. Kinsa may pinakakuan? Tunga ra ko?
Pwede na si Wiwin dito mga artist ini.
Who else?
Me?
Oh, you don't know their names.
How about me, buddy?
Who am I? Who's that? Lola.
Come on, how about the other ones? Go. Who else?
Yes, buddy.
Mommy's finished.
Yes.
Ready!
Ready?
Oh, kaila ni mo.
The driver.
Oh.
How about the baby?
Yes.
Meow. Everyone ready?
Yay!
Oh, Alo ready? Yay!
So, ilan tayo, Mark?
Ilan tayo nakapag-lip tint?
Ilan tayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Ready.
7, 8. Ha? 9 na ka ba?
9
9 kami, pero parang kasya man lang. Charet.
Ilan
nyo?
Ready, hindi.
Apat tayo. Maliliit naman kasi kami, guys. Like, okay lang.
7-seater ang tawagan na siya kanina, no?
7-seater ni siya. But 9 can fit if you're petite.
If you're Filipino, it's for the whole family.
Kasya Nagkasya lahat. Pinagkasya talaga. Di kailangan bumili ng panibagong sasakyan. Pagkakasyahin natin yan. Di ba, Di? Di ba, Di? Yeah. We're going, guys. Ang layo pa ng biyahe, so good luck to us.
Babe,
Smile man ang buong dayo.
I'm sad.
Hindi ko ba start of vlog ang isi na mas Mark? Ang aming Didi na super active.
Sleeping. Sleeping already.
5:30.
Tissue daw, tissue. Tissue in there.
Ah, masih restoran siya.
Babe, tissue, babe. Babe, aloe some.
Alo as well.
Oh, aloe, Marlon, sorry. No, good.
Nandito na kami sa Toledo, guys.
Kilala daw kayo. Yan, ang is done.
Yucky! Sipan si Marlon. Yung driver natin, eh, sipan. Head of the doggy. Indy took it. Indy. Almost there,
Simba siya
Indy.
kagariat na.
Yeah. Over. Simba muna si Mark. Hello. Hello, Day.
Day.
Almost. Indy took it.
It's our moment!
It's uphill. Whee! A quick detour to Tuburan 360 restaurant. Busay? Whee! Oh my lord. Whoa! Look. Grabe sa road, uy.
Di?
Like up and down, up and down, up and down.
Oh no!
The clouds. We're like touching the clouds already. Whoa. Guys, our detour is actually here in 360 restaurant. It's an adventure park. Like may mga ATV, may mga games. Ganda.
Hold. Hey.
Grabe talaga yung detour natin. 20 minutes up. So nice. This is the restaurant. Kakain lang tayo dito. Okay, this way. Look at that, eh. What? So nice. That's baby Jesus. So nice. Oh my God, it's nice. We got the best view. Sila Bite King. Wow, look at that. Got the best one. Yeah. So kakain lang talaga kami dito, guys. In fairness lang talaga yung presyo dito.
Katawan, gagmay siya? Ay, gagmay ko?
No, I think ano to?
Shrimp?
Shrimp na shrimp sa diya. Bean sprouts, more on veggies.
Masarap to yung food dito.
What do you want, Mara?
Na kami mga photos dito from our photographer. I like it. So good. Yeah, this is a sticker. Look at that. Meron na kami picture. Yeah. Yeah, kuha na siya sticker. We're just waiting for our order, guys. Good. Nagdatingan na yung mga food, guys. Pero madami pa kaming inaantay.
Sabaw.
Pa-lunch din kasi kami dumating. So marami talagang tao. Okay. Marami kami sa competition. So, nandiyan sa bawal
Kaya na, magkuha pa ko tissue.
yun na, lunch na.
Then I want to try this. I'll get the one you added when you want, okay?
Sa pagkanahan ko.
Sinigang?
You want chicken? Here, or chicken. And rice.
It's like a...
Are both drinks back? Hindi mo ganang drinks back. Okay, this one. Can I mo putin no or ice?
Lami ang untang-untang inside salada.
Ha?
Salada. Nag-order ako ng salada niya. Dili day available.
Katapong squid, wala po.
Gamay.
Kung dumang pusit, calamari, ang ito mga order, dili day available.
Wala sila seafood.
Nagsuka na ito kanina sa biyahe. So, bigyan natin siya ng bensin. This one.
You're so brave. Seriously? Daddy, she's gonna take medicine. Very brave. Yeah.
Oh, it's already.
This is car sickness, or
Yeah, on Dad's front,
Do
yeah.
you need it? So you put it under your tongue?
Under your tongue.
Under?
and so no.
Let it melt, yeah.
Such a good kid. Look at this.
It's strawberry flavored, right?
Oh, do you want some aloe?
No, only one. Only one is enough. For your little girl. No, you don't need medicine at all.
Kana na lang. Yeah. Alright, aloe, come on. Just lift your tongue.
Tongue.
Up.
Okay.
Here you go.
Strawberry
Oh,
flavored.
brave aloe.
Mom!
You feel better? Oh my gosh.
Mas pasa ka.
It's amazing.
Oh, good job, guys.
You guys are ready? Ma, itadaan mo.
It's really hot. Come on, walk fast. Everyone walk fast. It's really hot, guys. Tapos na kami dito. Na-delay na kami sa aming check-in at 2 p.m. Siguro makaka-check-in tayo ng mga 4 p.m. na. God, it's so hot. Init. Dara, dong mo na.
Spider-Man.
Okay.
Spider-Man.
Okay. Kunin natin yung sukli. Tapos, good. Kanay pag goya.
I know I'm gonna get one later myself.
So, what do you mean you want to do at the top?
Bumili kami ng kape para sa driver. Si Marlon, caramel macchiato. And for Mark, Mag-request din siya. Tapos, ang sarap naman ng kanilang torta. Guys, meron mga torta dito. Paka-relaxing naman dito. Look at that. I think isa yan sa mga accommodation. Marami silang accommodation dito.
We don't want to that big.
What? That's the beach, Alo.
Yeah. I told you I see the beach.
You see the beach.
And I see the
na nito
sand
ng beach.
there.
Yeah. We have to travel for 2 hours more.
Abby, stay here. We don't. Abby, drink some coffee and we done a coffee. We don't on the beach.
While drinking coffee, Tito Marlon and Tito Mark, we go to the beach.
And he finished it. And he finished our coffee. We don't in the sand.
Okay.
Oh boy, you've got some nerve to call my name, call my name. After all this time, you should be so ashamed, 'cause I'm so over it, over it, over it, over it. 'Cause I'm so over it, over it, over it, over it, over it now. Every second I try to give you everything, 'cause that's just what I like. So why are you always wasting all my time? It's too late, let it die now. I've been on the road to my soul. I've been trying to fit into my role. Don't expect from me, so let's decide.
Okay.
Leave it up to chance that I'm falling. I don't wanna be the one of you been tortured. Hear you calling out my name, but I
How many hours was the drive?
don't
4 hours. You got it right. Yeah.
Well, what does this say there, teacher? Bedza.
Here we are again. Oh boy, you've got some nerve to call my name, call my name. After all this time, you should be so ashamed, 'cause I'm so over it, over it, over it, over it. 'Cause I'm so over it, over it.
Anymore. You know, cockroach.
Oh, Ate Ana, look.
There's a playground.
Oh my god! Wow.
Playground.
I can have the princess.
Yeah.
Wow! What I? Oh,
Tingnan natin yung accommodation. You go, first room. Ha? My small kitchen. The second room. This is the room. Nila ate. With own toilet. Nice. Okay. This is our small lounge. That's the beach. Guys, explore natin yung lugar. Gabi na, andun sila sa game room.
Alive.
Guys, this is the game room. Look at that. Kami lang talaga dito. Nakakatuwa naman. Kami lang talaga ang andito. Baka dito na kami magtatambay. at saka si Ikang kasama ni Dan. So, nagpunta sila sa 7-Eleven. Ang nakakaganda dito, this is a family room. Although, 3 bedrooms lang sila. Pero meron naman silang, pwede ka mag-add ng additional person. So, marami kami dito, pero okay lang. Actually, mas better siya kasi mas masaya. Like dito, ako at saka si Marlon at saka si Ikang nakastay dito. Tapos sa kabilang room, si Marlon, si Mark, si Inday Ranran, at saka si Mama. And then, sa master bedroom is of course sila ate. So, yun, okay lang talaga. And then, actually, si Merwin, sa labas pala siya, pero yung setup namin, ang ganda ng setup namin, kasi andun siya sa pinakagilid. Unfortunately, wala ngang other room, 3-bedroom lang to, pero, you know, ang ganda ng setup na mas magkakabanding ba? Kasi nga, isang bahay lang lahat. So, mas okay actually to. Mas family-friendly talaga siya. And I'm pretty sure mas magiging masaya talaga kami dito. So, happy. The additional para sa one person per night is 1,800. Tapos, yung additional talaga namin in total is 3 tao. Sa booking namin, yung included is 6 person lang. So, para secure lahat ng family, 7. Tapos, yung 2, inad na lang namin para mas maging masaya. And then, dito kasi kami mag-New Year. So, mas okay talaga na isahan na lang talaga. Guys, the food is here. We're hungry. My God, ang sarap ng Jollibee. Jollibee ulit. See, guys.
This is my kit.
Sana masarap yung Jollibee dito. God, ang sarap. We're eating, guys. Grabe. Yung iba sa labas na kumain. Wala siyang paig, pero dili naman siguro. Nalang breading lang. Napaka-dark ng kanilang spicy chicken. Pero
Where's my chicken?
you want more? Sige. Sipa, napay spaghetti. I think it's too much, no? Itong food. Ang gravy.
Ay, laki ham. Kaya mo sapok niya.
Dili, lahi na sa part. Kinsa niya? Ako ang cellphone pag ginatuan.
Paano ni?
Nay tissue di ha?
Thank you.
Tagay mo isa Marlon. Kaya natuan akong kuan, cellphone.
Danang kay review.
Bumero ka lang gihatag. Duha na kay ngani niya. 15 ka buok.
Bitaw! Grabe ra po doy. Katipid na good ninyo nga bakit man ang gi palit.
Ay, kung ka bakit, dapat upat na.
Upas ka kumay.
So good din, no?
Very dapog na.
Sarap talaga ng Jollibee, no? Kasi padool mga kapag di magtulo.
Dugay mo tayo sa sila ni sir. Di, dapat mahatag silang ikaw daghan.
Sabaan ni mo, Day?
Mahagit ka.
Jollibee, guys!
Ginusaram ka na rin.
Chicken ang ulan.
Chicken yan. Grab chicken and kanyang dili hangkay. Hangkay rin mo kuan.
This is the meaty part. Oh. So, nga mo nga naman. Doon hindi sila nang pagsaulong sa
Bao ba?
Ano ba day? Oh yeah, that's
Suko, mo, Day. Nakakuha sila ng shell sa labas, guys. Tingnan yung dami.
That one died. That one died.
This one?
Naman, Day.
No,
Mga
that
crab.
one.
I call this one
Ah!
What's that?
it didn't bite me, he just put his around me.
Daddy, that one is dead. That is one dead.
Oh, no. Okay, ladon sa Arlo. Ayaw, masuko.
Oh my gosh, sorry, where are you?
Masuko man ni sa Arlo. Ano, tanang ba?
The other one's doing it.
Suko.
The other one can't stay.
Which one?
Wala ka. What was that?
The other one can't stay.